Hello everyone, good evening. So I am back with another Facebook Live. So hope everyone is doing well. The today's topic is regarding toothbrushing. Okay, so everybody, this topic is very common actually. Everybody knows how to brush their teeth, but actually we have to understand that toothbrushing is very important, and the proper technique regarding toothbrushing we have to understand that very important, the correct method of toothbrushing. Okay, so today let me introduce, we have sir, I have got some models for you. So this is the tooth model. Okay, this is the tooth model. As you can say, I have got this brush model also, and we have got a brush. Okay, and toothpaste. Okay, so this is, so first of all, I like to let you know brushing is very important. Okay, so we have to follow the two two times principle. Okay, so two times principle is brushing twice a day. Two times brushing twice a day, that is the two times principle. Okay, so this is for first, we let me introduce you to what is the brush, parts of a brush. Okay, so this is, as you can see, this is a brush I've got. Okay, so this is the handle part. Okay, so this is the shank, and this is the head of the brush. Okay, and these are the bristles we say. Okay, these are there which help us in brushing. Okay, and this is the back part which can help in our cleaning of the tongue. Okay, so this is, so before we get into the brushing technique is proper, many people ask me, sir, how much quantity of toothpaste to put in a toothbrush? Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate you now. Okay, in front of you I'm going to demonstrate. So this is the, see, this is the toothpaste, and first of all you should not put the whole toothpaste on the bristles. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate. Look here. Okay, this is toothpaste. I am not disclosing which toothpaste it is because I will not promote any brand. So pea size toothpaste. Okay, as you can see, just pea size. Okay, but that is more than enough. This, okay, little bit, I have not covered the whole part, very small part. So as you can see, this is pea size. Okay, so that is first part is done. Okay, so this amount of toothpaste you should use. Okay, next, how, what is the brushing technique proper? Okay, so before I go to, we have to allow 2 to 3 minutes for brushing our teeth. That is very important. Okay, so this I've got a model, so let me explain you what the model is. Okay, many of you, so this is, as you know, this is the tooth, this represents our mouth. Okay, this is a tooth dental model, we can say in simpler version. Okay, so these are the teeth. Okay, so these are the gums. Okay, so this is the upper jaw. This is the upper portion of the mouth, we call it the upper jaw. This is the lower jaw, and as you can see, this is the tongue. Okay, so these are the teeth. Again, this is the front teeth, back teeth or posterior teeth, you can say, and these are the gums. Okay, so, and this is the model brush which we are going to help us understand. Okay, so suppose this is the mouth, I am representing, this is your mouth. Okay, suppose, clear? So first thing, there are, we need to understand basic principles of brushing. First one is how to hold the brush. Okay, hold the brush is very important. Okay, clear? Holding the brush is very important. See, this I am holding, for example, if you see, this is at 90 degrees. Okay, this is 90. Now little bit turn this side. Okay, so if I turn this side, as you can see, so this is tilted. It was previously 90 degrees, so it is now tilted 45 degrees. So like this, we have to place the brush. Okay, the brush in between, juncture where, in between the gums and the teeth. Okay, not on the gums, purely on the gums, not purely on the teeth. Okay, and how do we start brushing, from where we should start? Some people, they start from front, go back, this thing. Okay, so that is not proper. We should start from clockwise. So suppose from here, starting from here, go back, go down again here. Okay, Clear? So many of us, before I show the correct technique, I will show many of us brush like this, like this, like this. Okay, this is the motion. Many of us, this is a wrong technique. Okay, we are not doing shoe polishing. Okay, so this is not a proper technique. Clear? It will hamper your gums. Okay, so coming back, first principle. Okay, so I will just widen it. Okay, so that you have a proper idea. I will take this side. Okay, so that you can do. Okay, the it is 45 degrees. Okay, yes, okay, 45 degrees before the brush. And okay, this is the placement. Suppose if you do here, so like this is the placement. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, this is the placement. 1 minute. Okay, I can show like this. Okay, this is the placement, like this is the placement of the brush. So next comes three motions. Okay, what is the three motions? First one, everybody knows, very simple it is. Okay, so first one is back and forth motion. Okay, back and forth motion. You push the brush front and back like this. Okay, like this. Then comes circular motion. Okay, circular, you can make circles. Okay, then comes sweeping motion. Sweeping motion. Okay, so these are the basic three motions. First motion is back and forth. Okay, you put the brush like this, back and forth. Okay, next is like circular motion. The second is circular motion like this. Okay, if I want to demonstrate in my mouth, back and forth, circular. Okay, then sweeping motion like this. Okay, so sweeping motion are of two types. For the upper teeth, you sweep like this. You sweep like this. For the lower teeth, you sweep from here. Okay, so coming back, you have put the brush in the 45-degree angle. Okay, 45-degree angle, if you can see. Okay, I have put the brush in the 45-degree angle. Okay, now I will do first back and forth motion. Okay, first we can take three teeth. Okay, I am not going to going into the specifics which type of technique is this. Okay, so simple, I am explaining. First one 45 degree, then back and forth. Okay, you have to take, don't push hard on the bristles. Okay, then circular, yes, I am doing circular. Okay, then sweeping motion like this. Sweeping motion. Okay, so like this you have to cover. Okay, similarly this part is covered. Similarly for lower. Okay, for lower teeth. Okay, for lower teeth it will be like this. Suppose if you are doing like this, I have placed. Okay, sorry, like this. Clear? Like this I have placed. Okay, then we will do back and forth, circular, then sweeping motion from this side. Okay, so from this side it will be easy to explain. Okay, I'm not able to see. Let me confirm from this side. Yeah, this side it is very easy. Okay, so it will be like we have to push. Okay, back and forth, clear, then circular, then sweeping motion. Is it clear? Okay, so now you have cleaned the side of the tooth. Okay, this side. Okay, now what about the top of the tooth? Okay, the top of the teeth. Okay, so you have to clean it like this. Just put perpendicular on the teeth. Okay, just put perpendicular on the teeth. Okay, so now we have cleaned on the this side, on this side. Now we are going to clean on this side of the inside part. Okay, so for the top part you can go same thing. Okay, so you can, suppose the mouth is like this, you can put it like this. Okay, go from the front. Okay, put it like this. Okay, then sweeping motion, same thing. Okay, clear? You can hold the brush in pen grasp, aram se pen grasp you can hold. Okay, this side also. Okay, now going to the lower. Okay, this is tongue. Okay, so I need to remove the tongue before. Okay, so this is a model demonstration. It will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so here is the lower part. So I put the brush like this. Similarly, as you can see, this lower, this motion. Okay, uh, front and back, circular, then keeping this. Okay, similarly here also front and back, circular, and this thing. Now we'll come back to, let me put the tongue back, otherwise you will feel. Okay, you can put the tongue, fix it back, later on we can do it off. Okay, So now we'll come to the anterior teeth. So what is about the anterior teeth? How we'll clear? So we can occlude, we can bite. Okay, we can bite the teeth. Okay, okay. So the teeth in proper motion, the teeth in proper contact with each other. Okay, then we can do a proper circular motion like this. Circular motion, then one up down motion, then like this. So first circular like this, then we can put one down motion, then you can up motion. Never ever, friends, you should brush like this. Okay, this should never be done like this, like this. Okay, don't do. Okay, that should never be done. Okay, so three motion very easy. First one, you take the brush at the 45-degree angle. Okay, keep the brush at the 45-degree angle. Then three motions. First is back and forth, circular, then sweeping motion. So many of you will be asking why this sweeping motion is required. See, between this, as we engage in the sweeping motion, okay, so these particles will be there inside the tooth, so it will come out here, and when you rinse they will come out with your rinsing. Okay, when you rinse after brushing. Okay, so that is why important. And this thing, what about this area, this portion of the teeth and this portion of the teeth? Okay, similarly you put this thing and put the brush in a perpendicular and clean this. And this part also, it is very difficult, some people find it very difficult to clean this part. So this part you can just, if this is mouth is stable, you can pull this and clean like this. Okay, like this. So I hope this is understood to you. Okay, so now we'll come to one important aspect. Okay, toothbrushing is there. Okay, now what about the tongue also? Tongue cleaning is also very important. Okay, so on the brush, on the brush we can put this. Okay, so this is all about today's session regarding toothbrushing. Okay, so I hope you have understood what is toothbrushing. Okay, how the various how simple it is and what are the various tips to be followed. Okay, and always I would recommend you using a fluoridated toothpaste. A fluoridated toothpaste, a toothpaste which contains fluoride, and a pinch, as I showed in the beginning of my video, this much amount of toothpaste should be used. Okay, there are toothpaste available for different kids and for adults. You should be using separately. Okay, so and when you should give away of not using a tooth, when should you replace a toothbrush? Okay, so these are the bristles. When these bristles will flare out, okay, they will become flaring, then you should replace the toothbrush. Okay, so takeaway from this today's session is follow the two principle: brush twice a day, okay, and two times brushing, okay, in the morning and after before bedtime. Okay, and after that mouth rinsing should be there, and you should at least spend 2 to 3 minutes for brushing your teeth. Okay, there is no hurry. Okay, and which type of brush you should use? It is available in the markets: S, M, and H. S means soft, M means medium, H means hard. So soft bristle brush is advised for you. Okay, I hope that should be done, and I hope many people have understood how to brush it. So friends, I think you have been following Dentamitra, and you have been downloading the app, and various, I have received many people who want to do video consultation. Thank you. And we have been getting a lot of, keep on sending your feedbacks and suggestions, so I can help out with you regarding your various dental problems. Okay, so stay safe, people. Okay, so with that note, I take leave from today. Okay, today's session. Thank you so much for a patient hearing. Happy brushing, people, and brush twice a day. Thank you so much.